Did you know that areas used in construction, farming, housing, and flooring installation in a home? Finding the area of a shape is an important concept that we use in everyday life. So what is area? Area is the total number of squared units found within a shape or figure. Let's take a look at an example. If you look at a rectangle and wanted to find the total number of square units within the shape, we can count every square one by one to find our answer. A much easier way though would be to look at the length and width of the rectangle. Here we have a rectangle that has a length of 9 units. Its width measures 6 units. This means I have 6 rows with 9 in each row, so I can multiply the width times the length to find my answer. This means that there are a total of 54 squared units inside the rectangle. We can use the formula length times width to find the total area of any rectangle. Let's look at another example. This rectangle has a length of 12 units and a width of 4 units. I can count each square one by one, or use the formula length times width to find the total area. 12 times 4 is equal to 48. The area of this rectangle is 48 squared units.